What's up, guys? Next day here, man. Gotta get my freaking Camaro clean, man. This thing is so dirty. Look, take a look at it. This thing is so filthy. It rained out here pretty hard yesterday. Like, this thing is just so dirty. Like, I never had a white car, so I didn't even know how dirty these things get. But man, I gotta go to the car wash this morning. This thing is super dirty. Alrighty, you guys know I grabbed the wrong automatic trans fluid yesterday, so we gotta come back to Walmart, get our money back. Now we'll be good to go. Man, that thing's still dirty, but I mean, it's cleaner than it was. These wheels, man, takes too long to clean, man. I'm not about to get into detail with them today, man. But I mean, we got it cleaner than it was, so it is what it is. Let's go ahead to the swap land. Next day here, man, back at the swap land. Last night we got the motor in. Today we should have this thing started up, man. I'm about to clean this thing down on the outside because I mean the garage is a little bit cleaner now, so we got a little bit more room to work. Let's check out the car. So we got it here, man. It's been raining the last day like a lot, so this thing is really filthy right now. I haven't even cleaned it off since I got it, so we'll clean this thing off and see just how better we can make it look. Man, I even decided to clean these wheels off, man. You guys just see the difference. Like, this side I cleaned, this side I haven't even touched yet. But man, that thing just looks like night and day difference. This thing freaking filthy greased up. This side is a little bit better. I mean, it's not at its perfect condition yet, but I'm sure when these clean up, they'll look pretty decent sitting on the car, I guess. Back here at the swap land next day, man. It was Sunday yesterday, so we didn't really get a chance to do much. It was just a chill day for us because I mean, we pretty much finished this thing up super quick. We're gonna see what it sounded like today. Gonna get that first start for you, man. I cleaned it up a little bit yesterday, but I'm sure after we started up, we should be able to clean it up a little bit better. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're loving the build, man, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share the video for me, man. I greatly appreciate it. Let's check it out. What's up, man? It's good. That motherfucker done, man. All right. All right now, man.
Oh man, doing this torque arm, drive shaft, shifter, basically hooking up this transmission. You already know, man. We ready to go, man.
Getting it in.
Yeah, drivetrain.
All right. Alrighty, guys, so our trans line happened to be broken, our shifter cable to be exact, but no biggie, you know, the swap lane, they got everything up here, man. So we ended up taking off the center console right here and getting to the new cable, which we're going to take out this old one right here. We're going to pull this off, we'll pop it off with a flathead. He's going to send a new one up, replace that, put this back together, and then connect that trans, and then we should be able to get a startup here soon. So we will do that right now and see what's up. It's blocked by this black piece. Let me see real quick. Gotta get that little black part out first. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's locked.
You put it in?
Yeah.
Just clamp?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Looking real focused, man. What we got going over here? Look like she's slicing up some wires or something,
Oh
man.
yeah, man. We got these headers on here, so I'm gonna extend this crankshaft position since the starter wire and wrap it around the header, so it won't be touching to that header.
Man, so basically, if somebody wanted to come get a whole like old school done, you would know how to do everything to get it done, huh?
Watch blend, baby. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Swapland USA. Oh, this shit is clarity. Watch. Go ahead. Let's do a test fire one time. Fired up. Firing around. Go ahead. How about that? How about that? Yeah, let's go, boy. Start the fire up. Fire up like a jumping shark.
Got it going, y'all. Finally fired up, man. Woo! Yeah, you see it, man. You see it, man. Burning all that oil off. We got open headers down here. That's why it's so loud. Take a look at the inside, man. We got the LED lights up there. It's got 200 and let me see, 206,000 miles. No check engine light. No check engine light, man. Ooh. ABS, NOP, whatever that means. Oh yeah, because we got to get the steering wheel bolted in. That's probably why. And it's burning off some of that oil.
Ground screw.
Get that.
All right, turn it off.
Turn it off. That thing sound good, man. Yeah, that's A1. Yeah, right up. Easy. Well, we know we got some action, you know.
You just got I just fucking steering. That's it. That's steering in these arms. That's like that. And then we can let it run.
Right.
Drive it to the gas station. Fill it up with some 91.
What's up, guys? So you guys seen we got the Camaro started, man. Sounded really beefed up. We got it's no exhaust on it, so that's why it's like super loud. We did have some smoke burning, but you know, that's all the oil and stuff has to burn off from the headers and stuff. So we're gonna gas it up and let this thing run probably about a good amount of time. I don't know exactly yet,
About
but
a good hour.
yeah, about a good hour,
Yeah.
just to like, you know, let everything burn and just make sure everything's everything. So I mean, it is what it is. It started right up, man. I'm surprised, man. That thing sound freaking good for a junkyard motor, man. And I'll give y'all a little something, man.
Ready now.
I'll give you a little something, man. Y'all seen it. Service engine soon. Yeah, man, y'all gonna have to catch it when we pulling this thing out, really see, you know, but it sound real good. Yeah, no, he still gotta hook up the steering and stuff, so, you know, we'll get there. We're getting that workout in the day, boy. We getting that workout in the day, working on legs. It's getting harder. Alrighty guys, quick update, man. My hands is dirty. If I take you over here, we got everything done. However, we're trying to figure out this steering situation. We had it connected before we lifted the motor back in, but we forgot to, I guess, connect the bolt. So it slid back out, and it's just been the hardest time trying to get literally this. Oh, I think I just dropped it. This little black piece. This little black piece that's dangling around right here on the shaft. I mean, we didn't lower the K member and everything, so we're trying to figure it out. We should have it figured out shortly though. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update, but everything else is done. All the fluids are in, so that's literally the last thing, man. So trying to get this thing finished up tonight. Don't it, y'all? That shit's silent. Sound real good. Guys, we got like blue lights in this joint, man. Let's check this bad boy out. Got some nice purple lights, man. That shit sound good. That shit sound good. Let me see. Man. Ooh, we back in the game, bruh. We back in the game, bruh. All that oil and stuff just burning off that I spilled. No big deal. So alrighty guys, man, I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We got the car running for you as I promised in the last video. In the next video we might get this thing on the road. You feel me? We got my man Kelly Mack helped us out here at the swap land. Make sure y'all come to my boy for any of y'all LS needs, man. You know how it go. See, we came in knocking, now we came out shining, silent, rocking and rolling, man. You see how we going? You feel me? All within a matter of, you feel me? Easy work, man. But it does sound good. Y'all hear them long tubes down there? Sounding real lovely. I take y'all on the inside. Got the little blue lights. And it says low oil because he haven't connected the that little pigtail, the pigtail had ripped, so he's gonna wire another one up. But other than that, man, good sounding car. Back to A1, man. I can't wait to get this thing on the road. Oh man, I actually found some rims today for this thing for like $350, $400. So depending on if stuff work out in my favor, man, we will grab them. You know, we got to get some exhaust for this thing though in the meantime, so we'll see how it works out, man. Yeah, this was nice. That shit make me want to keep it now. Nigga want to keep that shit. Yeah. Let's see if this window worked now, man. Ooh, and the window worked. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Roll my shit up. Oh yeah, and we got the windows that work. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I fell in love with it all over again, dog. All over again, dog. I need to clean this up real nice once we get that one little part in there, man. We can dry this mug and see how good the transmission is, but it's idling pretty fine. It's burning off all the oils and stuff like that. So yeah, man, I'm excited.